Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Community Voices interview. Today, we will discuss the recently implemented school policy and hear the views of the school head. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us today.
Good morning, thank you for inviting me.
Sir, could you explain what the policy and why it was implemented?
The policy was implemented to improve our school environment, discipline, and the learning experience of our students.
Thank you for sharing, sir. What changes have you noticed since the policy was implemented?
We have noticed some positive changes, but we also understand that students need time to adjust.
What feedback have you received from students and parents about the policy?
We have received parents' opinions. Some support the policy, while others have questions or suggestions.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how does the school respond to students or parents have concern about the policy?
We listen to their concerns and try to explain the policy. We also considered suggestions that we help improve its implementation.
Sir, what would you like students and parents to remember about this policy?
I want you to understand that communication and cooperation this is the important. We also have a role in making our school a safe and positive place.
Lastly, what can the school and students do together to make this policy successful?
We can work together through proper communication, respect, and cooperation.
Good morning, students. Thank you for joining me today.
Good morning. Thank you for
Student, how would you describe your experience with the new policy so far?
We experience as being a mixed adjustment and learning. Some parts are easy to follow, while others take time to understand.
Thank you. Student, what do you think students understand about the policy? And what part may need more explanation?
Many students understand the purpose, but some part of the role need clearly explained.
Students, what can students do to help make the implementation of the policy better?
Students can follow the role, ask questions when they are confused, and respectfully share their.
Student, what can message do you like to share with other students about the new policy?
I encourage the student to understand the rules rather than unrespectfully speak up when they have question or concern.
Students can also cooperate and give respectful feedback to the school.
Thank you for your message.
Thank you very much to our school head and student for sharing your thoughts. Your answer helped us better understand different views about the new school policy.
This shows that respectful communication and listening can help the school community understand and address important issues.
Once again, thank you for joining us. Have a good day, everyone.